friends, how is everybody doing today? So today I have a video to share with you why and what food we're bringing with us on our boardwalk stay at Disney. All right, welcome back everybody. So we're going to Boardwalk. We're staying at Disney's hotel. We're staying at a DVC resort with a kitchen, and we're super excited to go to Boardwalk. I stayed there a long time ago with my parents. They're DVC members at Boardwalk, but my family, my kids and my husband have never stayed there, and we're excited to be able to walk to Studios and Epcot from our room. We're excited to be staying on that boardwalk, and we're just excited to get back to Disney. We have a lot of apprehensions and nervous about wearing a mask all day in a theme park and how that's gonna go. I know their rules and guidelines are pretty strict. However, we're gonna make the most of it because we just miss being at Disney. And there's so much familiarity of being there that I think we're gonna have a great time. We have sanitizer and we'll wash our hands a ton, and we're gonna make the most of it. But I wanted to share with you why we bring food with us on our trips. So I always pack food for our trips, whether we're staying in a condo or not. Most of the time when we stay at a hotel, they have a mini fridge that's empty. It's not like a bar fridge, it's literally a mini fridge. So if you stay at Pop Century or any other hotels, they have a little fridge in the room. We've stayed at Animal Kingdom Lodge, they've had a little fridge, Polynesian has. I'm assuming that they all do now, but we pack a bunch of stuff. And I'm gonna share with you, this is one of these picnic bags that are on wheels, and I picked mine up at TJ Maxx. Let me show you really quick. It's got a pouch in the front, like a zipper pouch here. Has a zipper pouch here. It's a cooler type bag so it can keep stuff cold. Has a mesh pouch over here that we have some paper plates in, because I love bringing paper plates on vacation, and one on the other side. And then it has these elastic straps here, which typically I will put a loaf of bread in there. So we love Disney food. So the reason why we pack food for our trip is because Disney food's expensive and you can't always get what you want when you want. Meaning we're in line for a ride and my son needs a snack all day, every day. Anybody else have a son that can just devour food? So I have snacks in my bag. I have the kids now pack their own little mini backpacks for the theme parks. And before we go to the park, I tell them, grab 2 or 3 snacks and put them in your bag. So the 2 things you will not see shown here is a case of water. I didn't bother bringing it over from the other room to over here. A case of juice boxes, like a pack of juice boxes. And then when we get to Disney, we live about 6-8 hours drive to Disney. When we get there, we will go to a local grocery store and pick up fruit, some baby carrots, and cream for my husband's coffee. And I think that's it. Oh, and the other thing you won't see here too, it's in the fridge in the garage, is orange juice. Our dollar store actually has Donald Duck orange juice and apple juice, and that's the only reason why I buy it, is because Donald Duck is on it, and then we'll have those for breakfast in the morning. So I'm just gonna jump in, I'll reach in and show you what's in here, but as soon as I open it up, it is full to the top. And these are all pretty much non-perishables. So I have coffee filters. We don't have this kind of coffee maker here. We have a Keurig and we have an espresso maker, but I keep these for vacation. So I have those. I have Ziploc bags because you never know when you're gonna go to a restaurant and there's an extra roll or a cookie or whatever it is the meal has. But if you throw that cookie in your bag, it's gonna fall apart. So I have Disney Ziploc bags that I got from our dollar store. Make it a little fun. I have, let me see if I can grab it all. A ton of chips. I've opened up one of those big pouches and I threw in a bunch of chips. And I will say most of these are not for me. I'm gonna be eating fresh fruits and veggies as much as I can. And then when I go to the theme parks is when I'm gonna be having the treats. So I'm not gonna blow my treats on these. I'm gonna have my treats on like a Mickey bar or a Dole Whip, not these chips. But the kids love it and it's great snacks on the go. My son loves these little cracker and cheese packs help him stay full while he's going. I mentioned the throwaway plates. I also got some napkins, so we have those in the condo. We're gonna be there and it'll be fall, so that'll be fun. Also got some tossable coffee cups, because if my husband's making coffee in the condo and then we're walking over to Epcot or Studios, he can take his coffee with him. If we do the reusable cup, he's just carrying it around all day. So I grabbed that. I never buy fun cereal, as my kids call it. I just feel like they don't need sugar before they go to school. They need to have something a little bit more substantial. So we'll make like real pancakes with real maple syrup rather than processed junk. But on vacation, I always buy these. And I think it's because my parents did it for me. So when we were on vacation, they would get it. So it's these individual packs. They could take it one with them if they want to the theme park, or they can eat it in the condo. My daughter is allergic to dairy, so we get almond milk, and I get the shelf stable one, so I don't have to have this refrigerated. So I got 2 of these, and they can add that to their cereal. And then the next, these are more like portable snacks. So again, instead of spending a fortune in the theme park on just like snacks to keep Ethan full, this is what we do. So those Mickey Ziploc bags, I actually separated out those goldfish, and the red ones, if you can see them, are Mickey's. So they have the Mickey goldfish in the store, and then I separate them out into bags. I also got peanut butter crackers. They're in individual packs in here. We got some meat sticks, Cheez-Its, Scooby-Doo snacks, I think, and then more Cheez-Its on the bottom. And then on the other bag, it's another Ziploc bag loaded with snacks. In here, I have animal crackers, Teddy Grahams, and then also I got some salted cashews in different flavors. For the most part, I think the cashews are the only thing I'm gonna be indulging in here. But I'm gonna grab, for sure when we get there, bananas, blueberries, carrots. They have the individual hummus packs as well as guacamole packs, and I may buy those before I go. We're also gonna bring a loaf of bread, peanut butter, and some jam. And I gotta get the coffee too. Now I'm glad I unpacked this to share with you guys, but I gotta grab coffee for my husband and then stevia for his coffee. In the front pouch of this, I'll share with you some of the stuff that I have. I have this weekender bag. This has my chocolate recover shake, which is what I use after a workout. It just gives me some protein. I'll blend it up with a banana and some water. It's super yummy. I'm not gonna be drinking coffee in the morning, but I drink my pre-workout, and so this is lemon flavored, and I think I have a mixed berry in here too. Yeah, mixed berry. So I'll mix the two together, and that'll give me my caffeine. These are plant-based. They only have 20 calories, and the caffeine is derived from green tea. And then I also have, these are called beach bars, and so they have less sugar, but it'll help keep me full longer while I'm waiting for the next Disney yummy snack. So those are the foods that I grabbed for our boardwalk stay, for our upcoming trip. I hope you found this video helpful. If you packed food for your Disney trip, let me know in the comments section down below, and what is it that you pack? All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.